and welcome back. You may have noticed that we look a little different, sporting some new logos and branding. And this is because on the 1st of April, we officially rebranded to GlobalLogic, extending our reach and expertise to 14 countries. Now, to honour this being our very first Friday Tech Roundup as GlobalLogic, we are rolling our count back to 1. So don't be alarmed, this is not 2020. So without further ado, let's give you the lowdown on the latest tech news. So first up, EON is using quantum computing to try and solve some of the world's renewable energy challenges. These computers are to complement HPC and AI instead of replacing them, and their ability to run multiple calculations at once makes them ideal for solving problems like grid balancing and optimal cable routing. So next up, HSBC has launched a Metaverse investment fund. Their aim is to give high net worth clients in Asia a chance to get in on the action of the emerging digital economy. The fund will focus on 5 key areas: infrastructure, computing, virtualization, experience and discovery, and interface. Number 3, Amazon is lining up satellite launches to compete with Elon Musk's Starlink. Reuters recently reported that Amazon has secured rocket launches with 3 companies, stating that they plan to spend billions on a satellite constellation that can beam broadband internet to rival competitors. Number 4, Gogoro, Taiwan's thriving 2-wheeler battery swapping ecosystem, has recently had huge successes raising money. Now, this suggests that there is a market for battery swapping stations, where drivers of electric mopeds, scooters and motorbikes can swap out their dead batteries for fully charged ones. And finally, number 5, Klarna, better known for their Buy Now, Pay Later scheme, is launching Klarna Cosmo, a division for their open banking platform. Now, Klarna Cosmo is an API that other companies can integrate into their apps and services, enabling them to access account information, initiate payments, fetch banking information, and refresh this data regularly. So before you head off, make sure to check out our most recent Tech Cubed podcast episode. Our hosts are joined by our amazing data scientists, Sami Al-Sindi and Roger Zorlu, where they talk through their most recent project with Tech for Pets. They had the opportunity to get involved in a heartwarming cause and help save pets throughout the UK. Make sure to check it out. So thanks for joining me on this week's episode of the Friday Tech Roundup. I'll see you next week with even more tech news.